In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add public holidays in Google Calendar. If you want your calendar to automatically show official holidays for your country, Google Calendar makes that very easy. This can be helpful for planning meetings, managing deadlines, or simply avoiding scheduling something important on a public holiday. The nice thing is that you don't need to enter these dates manually because Google already provides built-in holiday calendars you can subscribe to in just a few clicks. To get started, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once the calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. This is where you'll find your calendar settings and customization options. Click the gear icon, then open Settings. After you're in the Settings area, shift your attention to the panel on the left-hand side. This is where Google groups different calendar options, including the ability to add new calendars. In that left panel, click Add Calendar. When the menu expands, choose Browse Calendars of Interest. This section includes several built-in calendar categories provided by Google, such as holidays, sports, and other useful calendar types. Next, look for the Regional Holidays section. This is the part that lets you display public holidays based on a selected country or region. Once you find it, simply check the box for your country. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will add the holiday calendar to your account, and those public holidays should start appearing on your calendar automatically. If you don't see the changes right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. In many cases, the holiday calendar appears almost instantly, but a quick refresh can help confirm that everything has been added correctly. You can also return to your main calendar view and look through upcoming dates to make sure the holidays are now visible. One useful tip is that holiday calendars are usually added as a separate calendar layer. That means you can show or hide them later without affecting your personal events. So if you ever want a cleaner view, you can simply toggle that holiday calendar on or off, and that's all it takes to add public holidays in Google Calendar. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make your scheduling much more accurate and convenient.